Jamaican I've ever seen. No. So Mike is a matchmaker. For those who are in commercial, residential, talk to Mike. Those who are looking for investors for startup or tech, consumables, hemp, Mike has investors. Mike also has Vinny Marketing. He has an SEO company. All you guys who are trying to increase your platform to get Google search, get more LinkedIn, get more advertising without leaving the house, talk to Mike. That's why he's a matchmaker, that's why he's an alpha connector. These are just small things, he's being humble. I never seen a humble Jamaican in my life. This is the first time. So now, when it comes to the bit, I know, right? COVID did a little bit. Now, so those of you guys who know somebody or for yourself, talk to Mike now.